Ever come across a tool so next level it feels straight out of the future? Welcome to RevX, your spot for the smartest tools, craziest gadgets, and workshop tech that actually blows your mind. Today, we're checking out some insanely satisfying woodworking tools that are built to work faster, smarter, and cleaner. Make sure to subscribe to RevX and check the description for all the links. All right, let's get into it. This machine cuts through wood, tile, concrete, and stone like it's nothing. Powered by a massive 2.5 HP, 1800-watt motor, it delivers fast, smooth, and professional-level cutting performance for serious projects. Its heavy-duty build is designed for long-lasting durability, whether you're working on home renovations or professional construction jobs. You also get two specialized 6.5-inch blades, one for wood cutting and a diamond blade for hard materials like tile, concrete, and stone. The precision height adjustment system keeps the blade perfectly level, making every cut cleaner and more accurate. With up to 1-inch cutting height and 1.25-inch wall cutting depth, this tool is built to handle tough jobs with ease. This compact digital angle gauge is built for precision, making it perfect for woodworking, construction, automotive work, and DIY projects. It delivers highly accurate measurements with up to plus or minus 0.1 degrees precision, even in extreme temperatures or accidental drops. The device supports both 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees measurement modes with multiple units, including degrees, percentage, millimeters per meter, and inches per feet for maximum flexibility. Its strong magnetic base attaches securely to metal surfaces like miter saw blades, pipes, and conduits, allowing for hands-free operation during adjustments. The high-contrast VA LCD screen stays easy to read even in bright sunlight, while the smart tilt indicator helps fine-tune angles with greater accuracy. Small, durable, and easy to carry, it also comes with a protective carrying case, making it a reliable tool for professionals and DIY users alike. This precision woodworking rip jig is built to deliver cleaner, safer, and more accurate cuts every time. Made from premium CNC machined anodized aluminum, it offers exceptional durability, a smooth anti-corrosion finish, and solid stability while cutting. It's compatible with most standard T-slot table saws, router tables, and bandsaws, making it a versatile upgrade for any workshop. The adjustable telescoping range extends from 2 inches to 8.5 inches and includes both inch and metric measurement scales for precise setup. Designed for accuracy down to 1/32 of an inch, this jig helps reduce material waste while achieving professional quality woodworking results. And with its tool-free adjustment system, you can quickly change cutting widths without slowing down your workflow. Most jigsaws vibrate like crazy and struggle on tough cuts, but this one feels smooth, fast, and seriously powerful. It's powered by a brushless copper motor, which means less heat, less friction, and way longer tool life compared to traditional motors. You also get 3 adjustable speed settings, from 1,000 to 2,900 strokes per minute, so whether you're cutting softwood or tougher materials, you can dial in the perfect speed for cleaner cuts. And with the 4-level stroke function, you get extra cutting power when you need aggressive performance. Higher setting means stronger thrust and faster cutting. The saw also supports 45 to 90 degree cutting angles, making it perfect for straight cuts, angled cuts, woodworking, and DIY projects. Plus, the built-in dust blowing system keeps sawdust out of the way, so you always have a clear view of your cut line. If you're into woodworking tools or smart DIY gear, this jigsaw is definitely worth checking out. This adjustable dovetail jig makes creating strong, professional-looking wood joints faster and easier for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Its durable one-piece aluminum design keeps dovetail joints perfectly aligned while supporting boards of different sizes with an integrated clamping system. The set includes a 14-degree, 1/2-inch dovetail router bit, making it ready for use with handheld or table routers right out of the box. It can create half-blind dovetail joints, through dovetails, and even box joints, making it perfect for furniture building, repairs, cabinets, and woodworking projects. The adjustable micro-jig interface allows you to fine-tune joints from loose to tight for precise, professional-quality results every time. Built for comfort, accuracy, and versatility, this woodworking tool is a must-have addition for DIYers, carpenters, and woodworking enthusiasts. Trying to hold wood perfectly at 90 degrees while working is honestly a nightmare, unless you have this clamp. This heavy-duty right-angle clamp is made from durable aluminum alloy and is designed to lock two pieces together perfectly for cleaner, more accurate projects. It can clamp wood, metal tubes, steel rods, thick glass, and more, with an adjustable range up to nearly 2.7 inches. The rotating swing jaw is especially useful because it can handle different material thicknesses without losing alignment. And the rubberized anti-slip handle makes tightening fast, comfortable, and super secure while you work. Whether you're welding, drilling, woodworking, building cabinets, or making picture frames, this tool saves a ton of setup time and keeps everything perfectly square. For DIY builders and woodworking fans, this is one of those simple tools that makes projects look way more professional. This simple workshop gadget can save your vacuum filters, your cleanup time, and honestly, a lot of frustration. The Dust Stopper Pro is a low-profile cyclone dust separator designed to capture dust before it even reaches your vacuum. And unlike cheap separators, this one is engineered for maximum dust separation, not just airflow numbers. That means less clogging, cleaner filters, and way fewer vacuum bag replacements over time. It also comes with an industrial-grade gasket that creates a leak-proof seal on standard 5-gallon buckets. No setup headaches, no messy leaks. Plus, you get 2 patented high-flow sweep elbows that improve airflow and reduce turbulence for better dust collection performance. And the best part? It's proudly made in the USA and even won the Most Innovative Concept Award at the 2023 National Hardware Show. If you do woodworking, sanding, or workshop projects, this is one of those upgrades you'll wish you bought sooner. Making perfect mortise joints usually takes expensive machines, but this tool does it with just a drill. The MortiseMate loose tenon jig makes clean, accurate mortises fast and easy, thanks to its smart auto-indexing system that lowers the cutter in precise 1/16 inch steps. It works with wood pieces from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, making it perfect for furniture builds, cabinets, frames, and custom woodworking projects. Setup is super quick too, with trigger-style clamps that lock your workpiece securely for both panel and 90-degree joints. And for extra precision, it includes micro-adjustment screws and laser-etched markings, so you can fine-tune the mortise width and depth exactly how you want. If you're serious about woodworking and want cleaner, stronger joinery without complicated machines, this jig is a game changer. This might look like a basic drill, but it's actually the perfect everyday tool for DIY projects and home repairs. This 20-volt cordless drill driver delivers up to 220 inch-pounds of torque with 18+1 clutch settings, giving you precise control for drilling and screw driving without stripping screws. It also features a 2-speed motor, low speed for tightening screws, and high speed for drilling through wood, metal, and plastic. The 3/8 inch keyless chuck lets you swap bits quickly with one hand, making projects way faster and easier. You also get a 2.0 Ah lithium battery with a real-time battery indicator, plus a fast charger that fully charges the drill in about 1 hour. And because it's lightweight and easy to use, it's a great gift for homeowners, DIY beginners, and tool lovers alike. For everyday repairs and weekend projects, this cordless drill is seriously handy to have around. If your wood joints never line up perfectly, this little tool fixes that instantly. This dowel jig helps you create strong, clean dowel joints for edges, corners, and flat surfaces with way more accuracy than freehand drilling. It works with 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8 inch dowel pins, making it perfect for furniture builds, cabinets, frames, and DIY woodworking projects. The all-aluminum construction keeps the jig solid and stable, so it won't flex or bend while drilling. And the best part? The retractable edge stops automatically align your boards, helping you drill matching holes in the exact same position every time. It also uses hardened steel bushings for smooth, accurate drilling and long-lasting durability.
For woodworking fans, this is one of those simple tools that makes your projects look way more professional.
This tiny saw kit might look simple, but it's surprisingly powerful for detailed DIY work. It comes with everything you need: a compact hacksaw, aluminum miter box, and a high-quality bimetal blade designed for clean, precise cuts. The miter box lets you cut perfect 45, 90, and even 135-degree angles, making it awesome for trim work, framing, crafts, and small woodworking projects. And the 24 TPI bimetal blade cuts through wood, PVC, rubber, steel pipe, and more with smooth, accurate results. One of the coolest features is the adjustable blade positioning with 6 different angle settings, giving you way more flexibility in tight spaces. It also has a comfortable non-slip grip that reduces hand fatigue during longer projects. Because the whole setup is lightweight and portable, it's easy to keep in a toolbox, workshop, or even carry for quick repairs on the go. For DIY lovers and precision work, this is one of those compact tools that's way more useful than it looks.
This isn't just a handsaw. It's basically 8 tools packed into one compact gadget. This 8-in-1 adjustable handsaw comes with multiple interchangeable blades, so you can cut drywall, metal, plywood, PVC, plastic, and more using a single tool. The lockback mechanism keeps each blade locked firmly in place, giving you safer and more stable cuts while working. And because it supports both large and small blades, you get way more flexibility for different DIY and repair jobs. The blades are made from high-speed steel, which means they stay sharp longer and handle tough materials much better than standard blades. It also features an ergonomic non-slip TPR handle that feels comfortable during longer projects and helps reduce hand fatigue. Best part? The compact design saves space in your toolbox while still giving you serious versatility. For DIY projects, woodworking, gardening, or quick home repairs, this is one of those tools that's surprisingly useful to keep around. Most cordless drills struggle with concrete, but this one absolutely destroys it. This cordless rotary hammer drill packs a powerful brushless motor with up to 1400 RPM and 4500 BPM impact power, making it perfect for concrete, wood, metal, masonry, and more. What makes it really stand out is the 4-in-1 functionality: drilling, hammering, and chiseling, all in one tool. It's BAMS with a fast charger and even has a built-in battery indicator so you always know your charge level. You also get an LED work light for dark spaces and a 360-degree auxiliary handle for better control on tough jobs. And the kit is loaded: multiple SDS drill bits, chisels, charger, battery, and more right in the box. If you're into powerful tools and smart DIY gear, this thing is seriously impressive.
If your woodworking panels never come out perfectly flat, these clamps fix that fast. These mini deluxe panel clamps are specially designed to keep your boards flat, tight, and perfectly aligned while glue dries, which means way less sanding later. Even though they're compact, these things are built tough with thick steel rails and scissor action pressure that clamps from every direction. They work with panels from 1/2 inch up to 1.5 inches thick, making them perfect for cutting boards, SMO panels, cabinet doors, and other DIY woodworking projects. And unlike regular clamps, you don't need to stagger them top and bottom. These hold everything flush automatically. The set includes clamp rails, headstocks, tailstocks, and even a storage rack to keep everything organized. For serious woodworking fans, this is one of those tools that instantly upgrades your projects.
Lifting heavy glass or giant tiles by hand? Yeah, that's risky and exhausting. This electric suction cup basically turns heavy lifting into a one-person job. With a powerful motor, it creates industrial-strength suction in just 3 to 5 seconds and can hold up to 440 pounds securely. Perfect for glass, tile, granite, metal, windows, and other heavy materials. What makes it really smart is the built-in pressure sensor that automatically maintains suction so the grip stays secure while you work. It also has a bright LED display that shows pressure levels and operating status in real time, giving you extra control and safety on the job. And because it comes with 2 rechargeable 21-volt batteries plus a fast charger, you get longer working time without interruptions.
The dual-button safety system is another huge feature. Separate buttons for power and release help prevent accidental drops while lifting expensive materials. For contractors, installers, or serious DIY workers, this tool feels like something straight out of the future.
Installing large tiles by hand is slow, exhausting, and honestly hard to get perfectly flat. But this tool makes the whole process way easier. This cordless tile vibration tool combines a powerful suction cup with high-speed vibration technology to help place tiles faster, smoother, and with better alignment. It can securely hold tiles up to 59 by 59 inches with over 130 pounds of suction force, keeping everything stable while you work. The built-in vibration system offers 5 adjustable speed levels, reaching up to 18,000 vibrations per minute, helping remove trapped air and improve tile bonding with concrete. It also features a smart digital display, so you can easily monitor vibration settings in real time for different tile sizes and materials. And thanks to the cordless, one-handed design, you don't need 2 people carrying and positioning heavy tiles anymore. Plus, with 2 22-volt batteries offering up to 6 hours of runtime, this thing is built for serious renovation jobs. For flooring installers, contractors, or DIY home upgrades, this tool feels like a huge time saver.
Most saws can't cut flush against walls or under cabinets, but this tool was built specifically for that job. The Toe Kick Saw EKS85 is a specialized circular saw designed for tight, hard-to-reach cuts where normal saws simply won't fit. It's perfect for removing subfloors, replacing damaged flooring, cutting under cabinets, or even removing tiles right up against the wall. The kit includes 2 alloy blades for wood and a diamond blade for tiles and stone, making it useful for both renovation work and flooring projects. What makes it really impressive is the flush-cutting design that lets the blade reach areas regular circular saws can't touch. And despite its compact size, this thing delivers powerful, precise cuts that save a ton of time during remodels and repairs. For contractors, renovators, or serious DIY users, this is one of those niche tools that becomes a total lifesaver once you use it.